day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Yeah, hello guys, this is uNtomncane noNtomkhulu bayayilungiselela-ke namhlanje ngithi nje get ready with me. Siyoyenza the small shopping. Ngiya-ayina-ke ngithi nje kufanele sibe bahle phela intombazane efanele i-ayina yizo loo nto leyo. So asilungiseni-ke guys, be with me njengoba ngi-ayina-ke i-outfit yethu-ke of the day le oyibonayo. Ngiyathemba ukuthi you'll enjoy this video. Ungakhohlwa-ke ukusupporta nge-positive comment, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe nokulike guys, because I'm trying to make this channel to grow. And check my other videos please. Oh my god, finally sengiqedile-ke uku-ayina-ke manje ngiyaqoqa-ke ukuthi nje ngikwazi ukuthi ngilungiselele ukugeza, because ayibo ontomtom sebeyaqeda ngase nganyakazisa umzimba-ke. Yathi yes, yes, yes. Okay guys, oh my god, sengithela amanzi-ke ngiyageza-ke ngoba manje ngiyabona ukuthi isikhathi siyahamba. Niyazi-ke nani ukuthi amanzi akumelanga abe mhlophe, kumele abe nokhala as a lady. This is my Dead Sea Salt. Uyazi-ke nawe ukuthi lenzani. Full information 0842181750 because ngiyawadayisa lama salt. This is the oral salt. Uma ulidinga woza, ngoba ngiphinde ngibe nale soap le ngiyenza i-scrub njengoba ngiphelelwe i-scrub ngiyayidayisa nayo. It's from Brand African. Guys, I'm a distributor online. If you need full information, come on board. Be my customer or a distributor. Start helping yourself, your loved one and your community. Yes guys, ngiyayisebenzisa-ke njengoba ungibona ukuthi ngisebenzisa kanjani as a scrub. Uyazi-ke nawe ukuthi as a lady you have to glow, bese uba muhle-ke njengoba ubona-ke nazi into zami, into zokubopha ikhanda, amacici, ama-lip gloss, everything, ma-necklace kanjalo. Don't mind me, just my information and check my other videos. Yes, sengiyindlela-ke, the lady have to look beautiful. Decide ukuthi ngiye e-Shoprite namhlanje-ke. Nangu uNtomncane-ke uthi ma yimina ozoqhupha i-troll. Okay.
All I want
Waqeda-ke wathi uNtomkulu, ma yimina-ke manje ozoyibamba le troll. Sesiyophuma-ke njengoba sowubona zisayokhokha. Angivezanga-ke lapha ethilini because bese kunesiphithiphithi nje ongasazi. Yithi laba sesiyaphuma-ke guys. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Check my other videos. Sikhulise i-channel. Nibe nosuku oluhle. Love you. Bye guys. Yeah, njengoba ubona nje. Silibangise kuphi? eThekwini. Yithina-ke sesiseThekwini. Ciao guys.